So, now, it's time to go. Cabin tour, part 7. Here's our electrical engineer. This is for my family. I'm so much video recording.
This man is God. When did God leave? After 5 years.
Thank you very much, sir. Now, we are planning to go. That's why I'm preparing my things.
Okay, sir.
Upload this tomorrow in Facebook.
Your account.
Yeah, Facebook. Power Ranger. Now. Magandang po sa labas, kaya kailangan magbalot. Ayan. Ayos na. Ngayon ang oras ay 10:19 ng gabi. Uwian time. Ayan. Ang bag, suot na, at lalabas. Magsusur tayo. Ayan. Ayan. Hop, madilim na. Ayan. Ang cabin sa gabi. Lalakad na tayo. Medyo madilim nga lang. Ayan. This is my friend, Sassy.
Hi!
Hello, say hello to Philippines.
Hi, Philippines.
Wow. Now we are walking, going to the bus. Too much dark. I forgot to turn on the night mode. No problem. A little walking. Hey. Too much dark.
Kamal bhai. Kamal bhai.
വലിയ ബാഗ് മേടിച്ച് അതിൽ നിറയെ സാധനം
நிறைய வாங்கி வச்சிருக்கேன் தெரியுமா?
Hey man.
Yes.
Hey man.
How are you?
My friend.
Hi.
We are walking now. This is the yan ang planta sa gabi. Liwanag na. Yan. Yan. Tatawid muna tayo ng mga tubo. Op, isang tubo. Dalawa. Tatlo. Madilim, madilim.